humidity. It has hit us. Well, I can't complain. It's day 6 when we got hit. We had rain all last night, so that's why it's so humid this morning. It's overcast and warm, so we're getting ready to go. It's Jersey Day for your university, so reppin' Sac State. 62 miles, 1,500 feet of climb. Shouldn't be too bad of a day. Knees feeling pretty good, not sloshing around this morning for the first time in 3 days, so positive attitude. 2 more days, getting it done. Let's go. Alright, day 6 is in the books. 73 miles, not 65. 2,000 feet of elevation, not 1,500. By far, I think today was the hardest riding day I've ever had in my entire existence. That includes the century last year with the 70 miles of headwind. So, just because it's supposedly flatter doesn't make it easier. I'm sure that all the 5 days have caught up, but we made it. Barely, and now I get to go get a massage, so work these thighs out very tight. So 1 more day, supposedly 65. It's probably going to be more like 90, and then I get to sleep in a hotel room tomorrow night, and I'm so excited. Day 7. It is before sunrise on Saturday. We have at least a 62-mile ride ahead of us, possibly more. That's it. And then we will be done heading to a hotel tonight. It's supposed to be a pretty heavy-duty climbing day, so that's good for us, because yesterday we realized that the flat days are actually harder than the climbing days. So hopefully that remains the same, or maybe we're just so tired that everything is going to hurt really, really bad, which is where I'm leading to. Anyway, we will see how we do. Have arrived to Sacramento late yesterday. We're tired and I have to go to work in about a half an hour, so this is going to be an adventure of a day. But day 7 went well. We had to pick up our pace the last 23 miles of the 73. We were running behind to get to the shower line because the shower line ended at 2:30, and we would rather be exhausted and clean on the 3-hour charter back to Des Moines versus nasty and sweaty and still exhausted. So we had to push it. There was a couple big hills at the end, bigger than I'd ever seen, and long and exhausting, and they nearly killed us, and everybody kind of agreed that they nearly tried to kill us. But we made it through. We got on the charter after a whole fiasco, but we got back to Des Moines and we had to pack up and fly out yesterday. So it was an adventure. But we do have the stats of the week. We did 408 miles over the 7 days. Our average speed was 13 miles per hour, which I thought is better since it was so many hills. It was ridiculous. So that's actually a pretty good average for us. Our elevation that we climbed was 14,111 feet. We did this all on 31 hours of direct ride time, seat time. And the calories I burned was 22,291 calories in the week. So it was a productive week. We had an amazing time. It was an epic adventure. And we're not talking about next time until like in a month. Okay, let this settle and then we'll talk about what happens next.